In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a chart in MetaTrader 5. We're focusing on the Windows desktop version. And by the end, you'll know several quick ways to bring up a price chart so you can start analyzing or trading right away. Let's begin with the Market Watch panel, which is the list of instruments like EUR/USD or XAUSD. If you don't see Market Watch on your screen, press Ctrl+M to show or hide it. Once it's visible, scroll to find the symbol you want, right-click it, and choose Chart Window. A new chart opens instantly for that instrument. This method is great when you already have the symbol in view and want a straightforward way to open its chart. If you prefer using menus, head to the very top left of MetaTrader 5 and click File. Select New Chart, then pick the instrument you want from the categories provided, such as Forex pairs, indices, or commodities. MT5 will open the chart for the symbol you choose. This is especially handy if you like navigating through the platform's structured menu rather than hunting through panels. You can also use the toolbar. Look for the new chart icon, which appears as a small chart or a plus sign depending on your layout. Hovering your mouse over icons will show tooltips so you can confirm you're clicking the right one. Click it, choose your instrument from the drop-down, and MT5 will display the new chart. This is a quick option when you like working from the top toolbar without opening menus. Finally, there's the drag and drop approach. In Market Watch, left-click the symbol you want, hold the mouse button, and drag it into an empty area of your workspace. Release the mouse, and a new chart appears for that symbol. If you drag it onto an existing chart, without holding any keys, it will replace the current chart symbol. If you want a brand new chart window instead of replacing what's already there, hold the Control key while dragging before you drop it. After your chart opens, you can adjust things like timeframes and zoom to match your analysis, or switch between symbols as needed. Those are optional refinements, but they make your workspace more comfortable and efficient. And remember, you can mix and match these methods depending on where your cursor already is, Market Panel, Top Menu, or Toolbar, to save a few clicks. That's it. You now have multiple easy ways to open a chart in MetaTrader 5, so choose the one that feels fastest and most natural for your workflow.